Hey guys, welcome back to another video from John Kleis. My name is Max. I'm just going to give you a very brief look at this Hyundai Santa Fe that we've just completed for a new KENWOOD DMX7722DABS head unit. This head unit brings wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, DAB. It's got a very nice flush tablet looking design, which in this flush fit fascia, which is perfectly designed for this Santa Fe, it looks fantastic. You get DAB as well on this head unit, as well as your normal FM, AM, medium wave, but really the main event on this side of things is the Apple CarPlay. Get stuff like your maps on the screen, much easier way of navigating, which is nice and up to date. This screen's really lovely to use. You've got Google Maps options as well as Waze, even Sigic, but also you've got apps like Spotify, Amazon Music, Tidal. They're all some of your music streaming apps. You can get your favorite playlists, collections, scroll through all your favorite songs inside there. The best way that most people want to be listening to their music. Screen looks great. We've integrated into the steering wheel control buttons, so they work as well. But also we've done something a little bit extra on this as well as the head unit. We've added a reverse camera, so if we pop it into reverse, we get a nice image behind us of the reverse of what's behind the vehicle, and I'll give you a quick show on what that camera looks like. So when you come out reverse, it goes straight back to the stereo, and then we can go around to the back of the vehicle. Camera is nice and discreet, can't really see it until you get right down there, and should just be getting a bit of a focus on that now. And yeah, that's your reverse camera there. Gives you a nice view, save money on damages, don't reverse into anything. Simply see any upcoming objects from the screen in the front of the car. Fantastic. Thanks for watching this brief video. If there's anything you're looking for your vehicle, if you want Apple CarPlay, radio upgrade, reverse camera upgrades, simply just get in contact and we can get you sorted out. Thanks for watching, take care and goodbye.